Why do you need a legal plan? You've been denied a loan mod. Your short sale has been denied. You've been told you don't qualify. Your lender has a policy against modifying. You can't prove a hardship. You make too much money. You can't hold on any longer waiting on your lender. Your lender refuses to modify your investment properties. You are still current on your payments and can't get help. Your lender has claimed he can make more money foreclosing on your home. What is a predatory loan? A predatory loan put you on the road to foreclosure the moment you signed the loan documents. It consumes too much of your income. It can or will wipe you out. Most subprime loans are predatory. Most stated income loans are predatory. Most adjusted rate loans are predatory. But that does not mean that a 30-year loan with a fixed rate where you provided documentation is not predatory. Loan mods. Loan mods were supposed to be the solution to helping homeowners stay in their homes. Billions of dollars were given to the banks by taxpayers, that would be you, to help keep homeowners in their homes. Homeowners, you, are not getting the help they were promised. But there were some really nice bonuses paid to the bankers. Why won't your lender help? Lenders are bankers. They are about making money. They are not about help. They will choose some other way to get their money if you are too great of a risk. Foreclosure is a great way to get money. Selling your loan to another lender is a great way to get money. An insurance policy that may pay out if you default on your loan is a great way to make money. The lender wants money. Does your home still have equity? Have you missed far too many payments? Can your loan be sold to another lender? Is your loan violation-free? Is there an insurance premium to collect? Are you still current on your loan? A yes to any or a combination of these means you are not necessarily going to get a loan mod. After all, there is a much better chance of getting money if you are removed from the equation, or, if current, ignored. Attorneys save homes. There are many federal laws that lenders must follow when they issue loans. Predatory loans do not follow those laws. It is the lender's responsibility to handle and resolve any violations of TILA, RESPA, HOPA, and ECOA, and to address and resolve fraud when they are found in loan documents. Their licenses are at risk if they don't address the matter. Fraud and federal violations. Think about it. Would you buy a loan from a lender if it had a report on file of fraud and federal violations? Nope. You'd stay away from that because you don't want to inherit another man's mess. How about that insurance premium? Forget that. It's more than likely null and void now that the loan is fraudulent or violation heavy. Foreclosure is often illegal. If the loan documents show fraud or violations of any federal laws, then that lender is going to have a very hard time making foreclosure stick. If you're in foreclosure, an audit and an attorney can and have stopped it. If you're headed toward foreclosure, the audit and an attorney can and have prevented it. If you can't afford your monthly payments, an attorney can negotiate with your lender while you are only paying for your legal membership plan. This process could take months, allowing you to save hundreds or thousands per month. Are you still current on your loan? The facts. Lenders can't afford to lose your revenue. It is in their best interest to keep collecting your monthly payment while you churn and burn in the system, hoping for help. More than likely, you'll be denied because you don't really have a hardship. You'll be told that they are getting around to you, but first they have to handle the people with foreclosure auction dates. You'll be told there is no help for you until you start missing payments. The laws are on your side. Unfortunately, your lender is not going to call or write letting you know that your loan has violations. Hello, Joe. Hey, great news. We just found out that we broke several federal laws when we issued you a loan. So we're just going to fix this whole mess for you. Hey, you know one of those laws we broke? Well, it turns out you get a free title to the place. Is that just terrific or what? So we've got that title coming to you in the next couple of weeks. Sadly, you are never going to get that call. Where's the money-making in that? Trust. Who can you trust? Your lender tells you that he wants to help, and then denies you, and sends foreclosure papers. It seems like you paid him to take your home. The Boston Globe reports that lenders don't want to modify loans. They find no profit in helping the distressed. The president tells you that your tax dollars, if given to the lenders, will help save your home. Only it turns out that same lender just sent you the foreclosure papers. And a little web search shows news articles revealing the facts. The bailout was about keeping the lenders in business, not helping the homeowners. The only guarantee. The only thing your lender guarantees is temp mods don't always result in permanent mods. Permanent mods have been canceled by the lenders. Many mods raise the payments to astronomical levels. Home goes back to the bank after they collect a few more payments. Short sales have been denied, often after they were approved. Month after month, the foreclosures rise to record-high numbers in cities across the nation, while property values keep dropping 10% to 20% yearly. Why do you need an expert? Reaching You Network is the expert at forensic loan review. Along with attorneys, we work as your hired gun to show the lender all violations in his loan. If you had a cavity, would you drill the hole yourself or go to the dentist? If the judge told you that you didn't need a lawyer, he would listen to your case for free. Would you do it? How could you conduct your own investigation and get the lender to accept it as a professional review? Even attorneys get a lawyer to represent them in court. If you don't get help, you may be okay. You may be one of the very few who actually get a mod. Or you may be one of the thousands who lose their home, or continues to give the bank far more in monthly payments than you can honestly afford until the bank finally gets your home. Why would you risk losing your home when you can get a legal plan that keeps you in your home for as low as $595 per month? To date, every single loan the bankers issued and we have investigated has been full of violations. You don't have to believe us. You don't have to trust us. You only need to get your loan investigated. Trust the laws that were passed as far back as 1969 to protect you. Freedom Legal Plans is a nationwide network of attorneys working under one legal membership, helping consumers that cannot afford traditional legal representation. All new members receive a free case analysis by an attorney. We offer attorney quality control, customer service, and we pride in the experience our attorneys bring to our network. There is never an upfront fee or retainer to sign up. Our plans provide unlimited hours of trial attorney representation for less than $15 per day. Try us now and ask about our 7-day cancellation policy. Did you know 95% of homeowners in foreclosure are not working with an attorney to help them negotiate with their lender? 80% of all residual loans contain some fraud or predatory lending. All homeowners should have an attorney litigating on their behalf. You could possibly achieve principal reduction and a lower interest rate. Working with our legal network may allow you some time to reorganize your finances. You may sleep better knowing you have a plan and the law is on your side. Did you know? The threat of litigation usually results in a bank agreeing to restructure the terms of your loan to produce a payment you can afford. Ask yourself, is your home worth $595 per month? Could you rent a similar house for that much today? Do you want to uproot your family and say goodbye to your friends? Do you want to lose all the money and time you put into your home? Could your situation improve in the near future? If so, wouldn't it be nice to have your loan reinstated by your network attorney when you are back on your feet? Choose Freedom Legal Plans. Finally, a program that works by a company who cares. Reaching You Network, a 501c3 not-for-profit organization, is a proud provider of Freedom Legal Plans. Americans are fighting back. Don't get left behind. Contact your case manager now and join our crusade. 1-866-514-INFO. 1-866-514-4696.